Driving through our memories, hand in hand, you and me, we were making plans to be forever, babe. I know you don't need me, but I see you and me, we can make it happen. Be my forever, babe. Leave the light on for me, oh, honey, let me down slowly. I've never been a dreamer till I met you. I know I don't deserve it, but honey, I mean it. I've never been a dreamer till I met you.
Head in the clouds, heart full of childlike wonder. The chaos, the crowds, a city that never slumbers. Just a regular girl from a regular town. I told myself that I'd never come down. Eyes open wide, finally start to see colors of fall reflected by big yellow taxis in the silvery moon. Kaleidoscope lights, even the streets look happy. So why do I always feel blue? In my hands, heart full of answered questions. I know they're true, but I'm still struggling with them. All those little white lies I tell myself, trying to keep up with everybody else. Through weary eyes, it is so hard to see. Colors of spring roll through the cracks in the concrete, where the sunlight cuts through kaleidoscope dreams. The skyline is gray.